Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're standing in front of this Harris 230 Cruiser. You notice here on the sides with the navy blue and the red stripe, this boat looks great on and off the water. Coming here towards the back of the boat, you notice this boat is powered by Mercury 150 outboard, and as well as your sunshade up top to offer big shade to the captain, people in the back of the boat, as well as this will collapse down for traveling and or if you store this on a lift. Let's climb aboard inside the boat, see what it has to offer inside. Hey guys, now that we're in the bow of this Harris 230 Cruiser, you'll notice up front the amount of storage you have on both port and starboard sides. Here on your starboard side, your lounger in front of the helm, you have ample storage throughout the boat with here and on both sides, making it a great place to store anchor, life jackets, dock lines, and even stuff for the day. Coming back towards the helm, you have your dry storage up underneath. This access to your wiring, fuses. If you ever need to get into that, you can. As well here, storage for your boat cover. And here, a trash can located in a high raised spot. Coming towards the helm of the boat, you notice your Clarion head unit. It has 4 speakers, plenty of sound, and your tachometers for your speed, your RPMs, your fuel, and your trim. Coming back towards the transom of the boat, like out here, you have your L-shaped seating with your USB ports over here by your cup holders. And coming towards the back of the boat, out here on the swim platforms, you do have large storage under here. As well, you see down there the table that comes with the boat. We can mount that anywhere you'd like it. And your designated cooler, so you don't have to bring anything additional with you on the boat. Ski tow bar for your water sports if you want to pull anybody. Like I said again, guys, my name is Ben Finley at MarineMax at Panama City Beach. Come see us. Have a good day.